Well, the chickens are having fun, and we're going to do the, I run them into this coop over here from the other class one because I don't have to deal with the rooster doing that way. And what we're going to do today is, we're going to pull some radishes. It's about time to do that. And I'm just going to run them back over to the other coop over here. But before we do that, we're going to pull some radishes. So I'm going to pull all these radishes out. And I watered last night continuously so I could do that. And so just going to be able to pull the radishes out like that. Look at that. Pull a few more. Yeah, got some pretty good sized radishes there. We're going to make some fermented radishes, and we're going to freeze some for later for cooking, roasted. And yeah, they're all in good shape. Yeah, except for those two. Probably plant them back in. They didn't really grow very well. But they're starting to split now, and I need to do something with them. So we're going to pull the radishes, and then we'll move on. But let's go ahead and transfer the chickens back first. So we're just going to go ahead and transfer the chickens. And I've got some nice radish greens for them to eat. Never waste anything. And they like a slice of bread, so let's go ahead and do this. You can see they're salivating at the mouth right now. Get over there, get all that stuff. There we go. And I forgot to do their water, so bad on me. I'll just fill it from the outside and let the little ones out now. Gonna give them some greens too, so they don't miss out. So I'm gonna grab some right now. So I'm gonna give them some greens. Just everyday life here. Feeding what you got, less on feed from the store, more stuff that you actually buy or actually grow. More stuff you actually grow at home. You can use that. See, they're enjoying that. And they're enjoying that. And about 4 more weeks and these young hens over here, about 4 more weeks, these young hens over here, they're going to go into the main pen. As soon as they start laying eggs, they go over there. So not only did I harvest the radishes, you can eat the leaves on them if you want to, but I feed them to the chickens. Just supplements for feeding them, you know, chicken feed from the store. Feed them as much as you can so they won't lean on the chicken feed you buy from the store. It's a lot easier that way, and it's more progressive. So instead of making some lustrous pond that your chickens can dip their feet in to get cold, because that's how they cool down in water, you can just go ahead and, where they have the dirt baths, just go ahead and fill one of them up with water, and they'll all come running over there and stick their feet in there and cool themselves down in the heat. You can also feed them semi-frozen treats like apples and peaches and stuff like that. They'll munch that down. They'll love it. That's one way, a couple ways to cool them down. Another way is just to make sure they have adequate shade. So you can see right now they're enjoying the water. They're sticking their feet in it. Of course they're drinking it because they're stupid. You know, who cares? But they enjoy that. And especially, it's only 80 degrees here today, and that's not really bad. I mean, for somebody who's accustomed to Georgia, 80 degrees ain't nothing. Okay, I could stand there all day and not even get a sweat. So, yeah, little trick: instead of buying some fancy pool for your chickens to dip their feet into, or your ducks, just fill up the dirt bath hole that they make with some water every day. They'll enjoy it. They'll cool down, stick their feet in it. That's the way they do it. That's the way you cool down birds. You'll notice the roosters is sitting right in the middle with his feet stuck in there, his big old feet, enjoying that nice cold water. So there's my radish harvest, and I'm going to ferment some of them, and the rest I'll chop up and put in the freezer to put into foods like roasting them with potatoes, beets, and everything else.